Well, there are certain necklines that are a little more universally flattering on different body types. For instance, V-neck, it's a good dress. The V-neck neckline, it looks good on almost everybody. Well, I would say actually it looks good on everyone. I've never seen a V-neck dress that looks terrible on anyone before. Strapless dresses are also good. You might be surprised, but strapless dresses are pretty flattering on most body types as well. Be careful with halter styles. It doesn't look good on everyone. It's a very trendy look, very trendy silhouette right now, halter dresses. But it doesn't work on everybody, unfortunately. But stick with V-neck. I would definitely recommend V-neck. When in doubt, put them in a V-neck dress. What I usually recommend is to, think of the coloration of your bridal party's skin tones. There are some colors that are universally flattering. It looks good on all skin tone, things like blue or dark green or anything that has a hint of red in it. But as far as for spring and summer 2011, I do see that blues, especially dark blues and purples, are going to be a big color. So if you want to follow the trends, try these colors, and they do look great on almost all skin tones. Let's just say that there are some colors that are a little bit more difficult and challenging, whether in photographs or against skin tones. Gold seems to be a tricky color, to work with. Light green, colors that are too pale, like pastel, things like that. But I would say the most challenging color would probably be gold.